Bees making slime honey? Ducks swimming in a slime lake? A slime cloud filled with water? And a slime horn glowing in the dark? Learn how to make the weirdest slimes in the world in our new video! In today's show, the contestants will be trying to figure out what slime they got by touching it. Ben and Rosie are ready to test slimes. Rosie gets mysterious slime with bugs inside. For slime, add borax to water. Pour in clear glue and mix liquid slime. Add acrylic paint dissolved in water so that the slime doesn't look like a jellyfish. Knead the honey-colored slime. It stretches out very well, and it looks like elastic honey. Place bees on top. Rosie feels bug wings in her slime. What is this? As if it's not enough that slime is stretchy as honey, there are bees living in it. It looks like Rosie got caught in a honey pot. Ben gets slime straight from a lake. A whole flock of ducks went along with it. Add gel laundry detergent to stationery glue. Put in blue glitter. Pour in some boric acid. Mix slime. Put kinetic sand into a plastic container. Place the blue slime on top and bring rubber ducks to the slime lake. Ben dips his hands into the slime. Hi, DuckTales! He starts having fun and arranges a slime tsunami for the ducks. The lake is not deep. Ben is happy with his slime. He's the lord of the ducks and sand. The next participants of the show are computer geniuses, Billy and Polly. They don't leave their homes very often, so this show is very unusual for them. Polly gets a slime cloud. What does the weather forecast say? Add borax and baking soda solution to water. Pour in white glue and add cornstarch. Mix smooth white slime. Draw a cloud outline on a piece of floral foam. Cut it out. Cut the cloud in half. Dip the foam into water and wait for it to get soaked completely. Use a spoon to make a hollow for slime in the wet foam. Color the white slime with gouache and put it in. Join the halves. Sprinkle the cloud with glitter. Polly squeezes a cloud in her hands. Oh my goodness, it's flooding! This is enough water to soak the whole Sahara. The slime must have decided to drown. Polly crumbles the cloud and washes her hands while she's at it. And Billy got mysterious slime with Barbie pieces. Whose arm is this? Mix equal amounts of stationery glue and liquid soap. Add food coloring. Dissolve baking soda in water. Add lens solution. Pour it into the mixture. Make blue slime. Cover parts of broken dolls with it. Place the arms and legs in the slime so that they look like synchronized swimming. Billy defines Barbie parts by touching them. Maybe it's possible to make a Barbie out of them. He has already found a leg, a head, and an arm. The best part of the Barbie says hi to the viewers. What an unusual slime construction toy! Summing up the results of the round, Holly is complaining about her wet slime. It rained on her parade. And the introvert Billy is shocked. He didn't expect to discover doll legs, arms, or heads in his slime at all. 2 YouTube influencers are in the next round. Meet Benji Star and Rosalie Like. Benji gets cheese slime. Let's hope this mold isn't real. Mix borax and baking soda in water. Pour in white glue. Mix slime. Put in glitter. And knead the slime with your hands. Cut little styrofoam balls in half and hot glue them to the inside of a square silicone mold. Mix 14 ounces of warm milk with a tablespoon of gelatin. Add yellow food coloring and pour it into the mold. Refrigerate. Put the ready Jell-O onto a plate. Cut out a triangle that looks like cheese. Place the slime onto it as if it's spreadable cheese and sprinkle it with glitter. Benji Star touches the cheese with his fingers. He knows what it is, but then he gets a mouse. Benji Star is so surprised that he forgets he's actually a superstar. He squeezes the mouse in his hands as if nothing is wrong. He even scares his partner. Benji always knew this secret slime is cheese. Rosalie Like is startled. For the young starlet, we prepared the most stylish slime. It's furry and cute. Pour boric acid into stationery glue. Then add borax dissolved in water. Mix clear slime. Put in colorful pompoms and tiny beads. Cut out a triangle along the seam of an old fur hat. Add ribbon along the perimeter and hot glue the edges. Cut a circle out of a foam sheet. Place it onto the bottom of the hat. Put in the slime with pom-poms. Pull the ribbon. Tie a bow and attach fur ears. Rosalie carefully touches the fluffy creature. Oh gosh! It's so scary! This must be a fuzzy monster. And it's slimy inside. Rosalie deals with the creature. Phew! Thank goodness it was just slime in a hat. Let's sum up. Benji Star made friends with a mouse and enjoyed his cheese slime. But Rosalie Like didn't like the sticky slime at all. On the other hand, the fur makes a great handbag. The rapper Big Ben and the gentle florist Rosalinda are participating in the show. Big Ben is the first to get slime. Is it some kind of a little dessert? Mix clear glue with shaving foam and acrylic paint. Add borax solution and mix slime. Place the slime into a silicone cupcake mold. Sprinkle it with glitter. Make the topping from shaving foam. Add glitter on top. Decorate with a glitter ice star. Big Ben inspects the slime cupcake. There's shaving foam all over his hands, but the cupcake itself is pretty firm. Our rapper is not scared of the slime. He can play with it for a while. The florist, Rosalinda, is waiting for her slime. She gets golden slime from the Qin dynasty. Add contact lens solution to water. Put in cornstarch and pour in stationery glue. Knead smooth slime. Cover it with a sheet of gold leaf. Rosalinda crushes the gold with her fingers. This slime brings harmony and serenity. Rosalinda really likes her noble gilded slime. She takes it for her collection. In this round, both participants are satisfied with their slimes. Big Ben makes a new track about his slime cupcake right away, and Rosalinda leaves our show inspired. Mr. Bean and Miss Rose, who are business competitors and bitter enemies, appear on our show. Mr. Bean is trying to make up, but Miss Rose isn't even thinking about reconciliation. We wonder how this round will go. Mr. Bean gets the cutest slime. It's a soft sheet. Add pink food coloring to stationery glue and put in glitter. Pour in some borax and baking soda solution. Mix glittering slime. Put it into a container and refrigerate it for 1 hour to get rid of the bubbles. Make light clay balls. Shape a sheep body. Leave a hole in the center. Make a head the same way. Attach a flat piece of white clay to make a muzzle. Make details from black clay. Attach ears on top. Put the body onto 4 balls as a base. Add a tail. Put slime inside and cover the hole with the sheep's head. Mr. Bean is trying to get along with his soft slime. He stretches it out into all directions. The sheep loses its shape. Mr. Bean turned the slime into a big, soft rainbow mass. Miss Rosie is sure that she will deal way better with her mysterious slime. She gets unicorn horns. Mix white glue with cornstarch. Add borax acid and mix slime. Join it with shaving foam and color it with acrylic paint. Put in glitter. Knead the glittering slime. Make slimes of different colors the same way. Wrap slime around a glow stick. Shape a unicorn horn. Sprinkle it with glittering stars. The base of the horn glows in the dark if you break the stick. Miss Rose is nervous as she dips her fingers into the mysterious mass. Her business grip breaks and destroys everything. There are only pieces of the sticks left. Miss Rose hates everything childish, rainbow, and shiny. And when Mr. Bean decides to build slime castles, she attacks him. The slime war starts. Miss Rosie doesn't like this contest. She won't answer any questions without her agent. Mr. Bean is not happy either. He would like another chance to compete against Miss Rose. Did you like our weird slime show? Then write in the comments which slime you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so that you don't miss new slime ideas on Troom.